Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of March 2024 for all the Capricorn Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of March for all the Capricorn Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Capricorn Ascendant people, Sun controls your 8th house, and right now your 8th house Lord is moving in your second house in the sign of Aquarius, where second house Lord Saturn is already moving. Eighth house will be the sudden events, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your life ups and downs in life is seen from 8th house. Your in-laws related matter is also seen from 8th house. Your unearned money is also seen from 8th house. Your secret activities, secret studies, all of these things is seen from 8th house, and your extramarital affairs are also seen from 8th house. So right now your 8th house Lord is moving in your second house, and Sun will stay in your second house till 14th of March. After 14th of March, Sun will move from your second house to your third house in the sign of Pisces, where Rahu is already moving. So till 14th of March, till Sun is moving in your second house, we can expect great gains of money in the month of March, and unexpected gains of money and unexpected gains for you people regarding your family related matter, regarding your money related matter, because your 8th house Lord is moving in your second house, and right now second house is in a strong position. Also, Saturn is present in your second house right now. Saturn make you somehow a little bit of miser in second house, because Saturn give results in the second house like that. And after 14th of March, when your 8th house Lord will be moving in your third house, then we can expect in your third house in the sign of Pisces, where Rahu is already moving, then you need to be take care of your communication related matter, because 8th house will be sudden events, and Rahu is already moving in your third house, and Sun will join Rahu after 14th of March, and Rahu will boost your ego related matter, and you may have some type of argument difficulty regarding communication related matter due to presence of Rahu and Sun in your third house. So we can expect these results from all the Capricorn Ascendant people in the month of March. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Capricorn Ascendant people, Mercury controls your 9th house and your 6th house, and right now Mercury is also moving in your second house in the sign of Aquarius. Mercury will stay in your second house till 8th of March. After 8th March, Mercury will also move from your second house to third house in the sign of Pisces, where Rahu is already moving. Ninth house will be your father, teachings of your father. Your DNA is represented by 9th house. Your higher education means your post-grad education, your philosophical knowledge, your religious knowledge is also seen from 9th house. Long distance travel and travel related to religious purpose is also seen from 9th house. Your mentors, teachers, second marriage is also seen from 9th house. 6th house will be your court case, litigation, argument, your hidden enemies, your front enemies also seen from 6th house. Your health issues, your debt, your loans is also seen from 6th house, and 6th house also deal with your daily routine in context of your work. So right now your 6th house and your 9th house Lord is moving in your second house till 8th of March. So till 8th of March, we can expect you may get some type of great result regarding your 9th house related matter, because 9th house also deal with your left related matter. And right now Saturn and Mercury, both the planets are moving in your second house, and till 8th of March we can expect great gains of money for you people in the month of March. But right now Ketu is moving in your 9th house after 30th October 2023, as we discussed previously in Rahu Ketu transit video. So Mercury taking Ketu's energy in your second house in the month of March till 8th of March. So till 8th of March, you may have to face some type of argument with your family members, and you may have difficulty regarding your religious belief and religious matter due to presence of Rahu in your 9th, because Ketu represents spirituality and 9th house represents religion. So you may have to face some type of difficulty regarding your religious views, regarding your religious concept in the month of March. You might question your mind regarding your religious views in the month of March, especially till 8th March. After 8th March, when your Mercury will move from your second house to third house, then from third house Mercury will aspect its own house, your 9th house, then we can expect you may face some type of release regarding your religious views, regarding your religious matter, and all of it to your 9th house related matter. Lord is also moving in your second house, and as we discussed previously, second, 6th and 10th house are always connected to your work and earnings related matter. So right now your 6th house Lord is moving in your second house, so till 8th of March we can expect great result regarding your work and your earnings related matter. After 8th of March, when 9th house and 6th house Lord will be moving in your third house, then we can expect great results. Because Rahu is already moving in your third house. Mercury will join Rahu after 8th of March, and Sun will also join Mercury and Rahu after 14th of March. So Rahu and Sun will give you strength to withstand your enemies, your hidden enemies, your court case, litigation, and disease related matter in the month of March. We can expect these results from Mercury for all the Capricorn ascendant people in the month of March. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Capricorn ascendant people, Venus controls your 10th house and your 5th house. And right now, Venus is moving in your first house, where Mars is already present in its exalted position. Means right now your ascendant is in a very strong position in the month of March, especially till 16th of March, because Mars will stay in your first house till 16th of March. After 16th of March, when Mars will move from your first house to second house in the sign of Aquarius, where Saturn is already moving. So, till 16th of March, we can expect great result regarding your work-related matter, regarding your fame-related matter. If you are some celebrity or public figure, then we can expect great result regarding your fame-related matter, regarding your work-related matter in the month of March, especially till 16th of March. Mars is moving in your first house. But right now, we are talking about Venus. So, 10th house Lord is moving in your first house. That's why we can expect great result regarding your work-related matter. Also, your 5th house Lord is moving in your second house, and 5th house will be the children, your love relationship, your early education, your mental abilities, your planning abilities also seen from 5th house. Your love relationship, girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance, all of these matters seen from 5th house. And right now your 5th house Lord is also moving in your first house till 8th of March. After 8th March, Venus will move from your first house to your second house. So till 8th of March, we can expect great result regarding your love relationship. If you have any love relationship, sincere love relationship, also we can expect great result regarding your education and children's related matter. If you have any children right now, till 8th of March, till Venus is moving with Mars, your first house. After 8th March, when Venus will move from your first house to second house, then we can expect great result regarding your work related matter, because as we discussed previously, 2nd, 6th, and 10th house are always connected to your work and your earning related matter. Your second house Lord is also moving in your 6th house Lord is also moving in your second house, and your 10th house Lord will join your second house after 8th of March. That's why we can expect great result regarding your work related matter and your 10th house related matter. Your 5th house Lord will be also moving in your second house after 8th of March. So till 8th of March, when Venus will join Saturn in your second house, then Saturn and friend is considered friends in astrology. That's why we can expect great result regarding your speech related matter, regarding your food intake related matter. Also, we can expect great result regarding your mental and planning abilities related matter, due to 5th house Lord will be moving in your second house, and Saturn and Venus consider friends in astrology, as we discussed previously. So we can expect these results from Venus for all the Capricorn ascendant people in the month of March. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Capricorn ascendant people, Moon controls your 7th house, and right now Moon is moving in your 12th house in the sign of Sagittarius. The positions of planet you're watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of March, and on the basis of 6th March, we are predicting for whole month, because Moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever Moon is moving in your 6th, 8th, and 12th house, during these days, we can expect we may have some type of issues, problem, and difficulties in our life. Because these houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology, somehow issues, problem, and difficulties are always associated with these houses. And Moon is a very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon gets influenced very easily, either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving near any of naturally malefic planet from any house, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem, and difficulties in our life. And naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, and Mars. And especially problem will come from the house significance through which Moon is moving near any of these naturally malefic planets. So that's the way to judge Moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Capricorn ascendant people, Mars controls your 11th house and your 4th house. And right now your 11th and 4th house Lord is moving in your first house in the sign of Capricorn. Mars is right now present in its exalted position. and Mars gives very good result in Capricorn sign. So right now your 4th house, 11th house will be your gains, your incoming gains seen from 11th house, your hopes and wishes, fulfillment hopes and wishes seen from 11th house. Your elder brother, sisters, your sources, your PR is also seen from 11th house, your friend circle and professional circle also seen from 11th house. Fourth house will be your home, your property, vehicles, your comfort in life, your mother's relationship seen from fourth house, your homeland, your peace of mind is also seen from fourth house. And right now Jupiter is moving in your fourth house. That's how we can expect great result regarding your fourth house related matter. If you were trying to buy some property or vehicle, and if you were previously want to buy some property, vehicles or comfort related item, then we can expect great result regarding these matters in the month of March, especially till 16th of March. After 16th of March, also we can expect great result because fourth house lord will be moving in your second house, and second house is right now in a strong position. So you may get some type of gains regarding your property, vehicles, comfort, or relationships related matter regarding your home people. Also, your 11th house lord is moving in your first house. That's why we can expect great gains of money in the month of March for all the Capricorn Ascendant people. You will also get the supports of your friend circle and professional circle and your elder brothers and sisters in the month of March. After 16th of March, when 11th house lord will be moving in your second house, then we can expect you will be able to save a lot of money after 16th of March due to presence of Mars and Saturn in your second house in the month of March. So we can expect these results from all the planets for all the Capricorn ascendant people in the month of March. There are four major astrological events in the month of March. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun is right now moving in your second house, and Sun will stay in your second house till 14th March. After 14th March, Sun will move from your second house to your third house in the sign of Pisces. Second major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your second house, and Mercury will stay in your second house till 8 March. After 8 March, Mercury will move from your second house to third house in the sign of Pisces. Third major astrological event is that Mars is right now moving in your first house, and Mars will stay in your first house till 16th of March. After 16th of March, Mars will move from your first house to your second house in the sign of Aquarius. Fourth and last major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in your first house, and Venus will stay in your first house till 8 March. After 8 March, Venus will move from your first house to second house in the sign of Aquarius. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of March 2024 for all the Capricorn ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.